Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. UGC NET exam irregularities have come to light, leading the Education Ministry to cancel it. This incident occurred amidst controversy surrounding the NET exam, which has made the opposition aggressive against the government. The NET exam has been embroiled in controversy for the past few days, with the matter reaching the Supreme Court. Now, news of irregularities in the UGC NET exam has also emerged. Just 24 hours after the exam began, irregularities were reported, prompting the government to cancel the exam immediately. The opposition has strongly reacted to this decision. The Congress and Shiv Sena have demanded the cancellation of not only the UGC NET exam but also the NET exam. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge wrote on social media about when there will be a discussion on the NET exam. He said that cancelling the UGC NET exam is a victory for millions of students and a defeat for the arrogance of the Modi government. The Central Education Minister had initially denied any paper leak in NET, but after the arrest of the education mafia in Bihar, Gujarat, and Haryana, he admitted that there had been some irregularities. Now, questions are being raised about when the NET exam will be cancelled and when the government will take responsibility for stopping this corruption.
मतलब जो एनटीए है जिसके ऊपर जिम्मेदारी है इस एग्जामों को कंडक्ट करने की, वो इतना बड़ा लापरवाह हो गया है। उसमें बैठे अधिकारी इतने बड़े उदासीन हो गए हैं। उनके ऊपर जो शिक्षा मंत्रालय है भारत सरकार का, वो कितना उदासीन हो गया है। कोई जवाबदेही लेने को तैयार नहीं है। मतलब पहले नीट का एग्जाम, अब यूजीसी नेट का एग्जाम, मतलब अब एग्जाम भारत में नहीं होंगे। अब भारत में जो विद्यार्थी हैं या जो उम्मीदवार हैं, जो जीवन में परीक्षा देकर आगे आना चाहते हैं, अब उनका भविष्य अंधकार में रहेगा। इसकी कोई जवाबदेही लेने को तैयार है? प्रधानमंत्री जी, गृह मंत्री जी, शिक्षा मंत्री जी, आप सब कहां हैं? और जो एनटीए बना इसको तो बंद कर दीजिए भाई। अगर सबकी जांच सीबीआई और ईडी ही करने वाली है तो एनटीए को बंद करके सीबीआई और ईडी को ही दे दीजिए काम, क्योंकि ये एनटीए जो है ये पूरी तरह से एक खोखला हो गया है। ये जो संसाधन या जो संस्था है ये पूरी तरह से फेल हो गया है और कोई इसका सुध लेने वाला नहीं। मतलब बार बार एग्जाम में पेपर लीक होना, बार बार एग्जाम करवा के फिर उसको रद्द करना, ये कौन से भारत की सोच आप कर रहे हैं? क्या 2047 में ऐसे ही विकसित भारत बनेगा?
Shiv Sena spokesperson Anand Dubey has also questioned the government. He said that with the paper leak in the NET exam, the future of 24 lakh students has been plunged into darkness, and now there are reports of paper leaks in the UGC NET exam as well. He raised questions on the responsibility of the Ministry of Education and the NTA, saying that if the CBI and ED are the ones conducting the investigation, the NTA should be shut down. The Aam Aadmi Party has also criticized the government on this issue. They said on social media that not a single exam is being conducted without corruption and paper leaks under the BJP government, which is causing harm to the country's future. Millions of students are drowning in the darkness of disappointment every day. For now, that's all in this video. Stay tuned for more news. Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.